Sulindra Ahtarini. Welcome to today's news. We lead with breaking news: a significant earthquake has struck the Java Sea. On March 22, 2024, at 15:52:58 Western Indonesian time, a strong earthquake occurred off the Java Sea coast, centered approximately 35 kilometers from Bawean Island, Gresik Regency. According to Indonesia's Meteorological, Climatological, and Geophysical Agency, the earthquake measured 6.5 on the Richter scale at a depth of 10 kilometers. Meanwhile, the United States Geological Survey reported a magnitude of 6.4 at a depth of 9.5 kilometers. The earthquake's impact lasted around 15 seconds. The tremors were felt as far away as Bali, Central Java, and Jakarta. This magnitude of earthquake is relatively rare in the Java Sea region. The four shocks measuring 5.6 and 5.3 occurred at 11:22 and 12:33 Western Indonesian time, respectively, preceding the main earthquake. As of March 24, 2024, 238 aftershocks have been recorded. The strongest impact was felt on Bawean Island, with MMI 6 until 8 intensity. Bawean Island suffered the most damage, with 331 severely damaged homes, 706 moderately damaged homes, and 1,356 slightly damaged homes. Also, 63 educational facilities affected, 5 healthcare facilities affected, 88 places of worship damaged, 5 village office damaged. After the earthquake, several sudden mud flows appeared in the Bleduk Cangkring area, Grobogan Regency. This mud appeared on March 22, 2024 at around 16 o'clock. The mud spread to the rice fields as far as 100 meters. Hot waters appeared at several points on Bawean Island. The community found around 8 hoses that released hot water in the area